Hello, thanks for watching the video. Today we're going to be trying out Refreshed Shoe Cleaner on these sneakers. Alright, let me just start by saying I picked this up at a thrift store. You know, this is not some kind of sponsorship. This is the starter kit. I've never heard of this product before. I don't clean shoes, so I just wanted to try this out today for someone. These are not my shoes. I wanted to clean these for this person who owns them. And we're going to see how well this product works today. Thrift store, we get a bottle, 8 fluid ounces, cleanser and conditioner, restore, renew, refresh. There are instructions or directions on the back here. Sneakers and athletic shoes, suede and nubuck, and other fabrics. You get like a foam brush here, probably a wiping brush, I'm guessing, and we get a nice handy brush here. That's kind of a soft bristle. I would say that's a soft bristle, maybe a soft to medium. It's definitely not coarse. Looks like it's some kind of acrylic bristle. What we're going to do with these is we're going to just go with sneakers and athletic shoes, apply a few drops of Refresh Shoe Cleaner to supplied brush, scrub sneaker surface thoroughly to remove dirt and stains. Once finished, wipe away with dry cloth. Here's a look at the condition of the sneakers. We're going to wipe these down first before beginning. So we may do the strings separately. We may take these out and do this separately, but we're going to go ahead and try to just wipe them off with the Refreshed and see what they look like before taking them out. So you can see they're kind of dirty. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I think we'll go with this shoe right here first and clean it. We're going to have to stand up for this. Okay, like it said, just a few drops on the brush. I like to have some foam action. Yeah, there we go. Let's get these laces. Do a quick wipe down. Oh yeah, got a long ways to go. Yeah, that's not bad. All right, let's continue with some more Refreshed. Let's do the laces here. Look, we can do these laces a little bit more. Try to get this right here a little bit better. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's better. I think it's best to wipe down as you go. This stuff may start drying, and then you'll really be in trouble. So yeah, I'm just kind of scrubbing a little bit here, there, doing a quick rub down with my, or wipe down with my microfiber. Probably use a cotton t-shirt, something like that. But really looking pretty good here. I'm not crazy about the laces. We're going to try those one more time. Now, it could be that they're kind of damp. They've kind of got a gray look. Of course, it would be best to take these out and do it separately. And I may do that, but we're going to try to do it one more time. And we're going to try to dry them a little bit. Then we'll take a look and see what we have. And if I'm not happy with them, I'll go ahead and take them out of the shoes. Okay, you can see I'm taking the laces out. I'm really not happy with leaving them in the shoes and trying to clean them. So we're going to rinse these in a bowl. Okay, bowl of water. We've got some refreshed. It's probably plenty. I'm just going to drop shoelace in here. I'll let this soak and then I will rinse these in water, like under the faucet or the tub. Getting good soap. Yeah, let's just let them soak in here for a little while, probably 15 minutes, 30 minutes or something, and then I'll come back and rinse the laces off. All right, here we are with the laces. Let them soak for about 30 minutes and poured out, off camera, poured out the solution, and it was pretty filthy. So I'm going to rinse these just in water. And we're going to let them dry, and then we'll move on to the other shoe. Here we are, soap and water. I just have a bar of soap from, it's very slippery. I don't know what it is. Maybe Dial, I'm not sure. This is like Dollar Tree stuff. Got like 4 of these for $1.25. Just taking the brush, and we are going to try to clean the shoe. I think I better put this over here. That's the idea. Getting some good suds. And like with the refreshed, I'll probably wipe this down before long. I don't really want it to start drying. Go ahead and wipe it down. We'll use the same microfiber towel. Check that out. Okay. Again, just dipping the brush, kind of wiping it on the soap. Gotta get this up here. Whoa, about to lose this. All right. Wipe this down real quick. No drying allowed. Got like a crease right here. All right, so that didn't take long at all. Felt like maybe a minute or two. Let's do this right here. That's nice. Check that out. It's just soap and water. Now we haven't got the laces yet. So we're going to take them out. And we're going to let them soak in the soap and water dish bowl. All right, so I may do that one or two more times, and then we're going to let this just sit in here and soak for 20-30 minutes. Here we are now, the next day, taking a look at our shoes, and wasn't really expecting to make a comparison video. I assumed that the Refreshed was going to do much better than the soap and water, and it would be something that we would all be able to see, but it's really different because the soap and water has done a better job than the Refreshed, and I was a little taken back by that. Used the same amount of scrub effort and time on both of these shoes. Hopefully most of that will be captured in the video, like a couple of minutes. And this soap and water, I don't know I think this might be Dial, I'm not exactly sure. It's just Dollar Tree soap. Wasn't prepared any particular way. Followed the instruction on the Refreshed. And what we've got a whiter shoe, and laces even, I think, are whiter on the soap and water. So maybe you can see that in the camera, I'm not sure. But when I wiped this down the first time last night, it just popped. So, yeah, today is clearly a difference, I can tell. So, really pretty happy with both of them, really. But more so, I think the soap, well, I know so, the soap and water. So, anyway, there it is. Refreshed. Not saying it's a terrible product, but just plain soap and water will get your shoes, athletic shoes, whatever you call these, sneakers, very clean for cheap. Thanks for watching the video. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.